Greeley's a remarkable community that is really rich with culture and the arts and embracing a family lifestyle.
The city overall is looking at how we can better enhance our technology and how we can better serve our customers and our citizens overall. When you look at the resource that water is, we want to make sure we're using that resource wisely, that our grandchildren and our grandchildren's grandchildren would have that same resource as we have today.
This meter replacement project is a huge opportunity for Greeley. It's been a long time since meters were replaced. It's a best practice in the water industry to replace meters every so often.
Smart meters are an evolution in the way of being water wise. Individuals will be able to monitor their water consumption and water conservation more accurately and quickly.
We've used WaterSmart for a number of years for customers who electively signed up and got onto the portal. And with the new meters, it makes that access even easier. And that opportunity allows a customer to detect leaks or the city to identify leaks and call or communicate with a customer. And that prevents water waste and it prevents inordinately large bills that would be a problem for most customers to pay.
One of the other benefits is we're reducing our carbon footprint by reducing the number of vehicles on our city streets because we will no longer have to do manual water readings.
The metering replacement is a phased approach, so we're going to start with the oldest meters in the system. We're going to be engaging contractors to help us.
The city is partnered with UMS, and the community might see some UMS providers doing the installation of our meters.
And so we're going to provide these meters and the install at no cost to the customer. There'll be very limited disruption. It only takes about 30 minutes for a professionally trained crew to swap out the meter.
Customers do not have to be home while the meters are changed out. However, UMS will send an employee to the door to notify residents if they are home that will be replacing the meter. They'll be ensuring that their staff are following current safety protocols. So they'll be wearing masks. If they're knocking on the door of a residence or working with a business, they'll be ensuring that they maintain that 6-foot social distancing and any other CDC guidelines in place.
For our commercial and industrial customers, we want to schedule and coordinate with them in advance of putting the new meter in, just to make sure that we don't interrupt their product line or their production or their business cycle.
I think this is a step for us to be more strategic. We're looking at saving 200 million gallons per year. That's a huge benefit. We will come up with more projects similar to this that'll be beneficial not only to the citizens, but to the organization as well too, to help us manage the resources that we have and make sure we're spending tax dollars wisely.